Filter and refill my homemade Immortelle Flowers body scrub with me. Corsican Immortelle is a magical and ancient plant known for its soothing and skin-repairing properties. My mother loves creating her homemade scrub in the summer to keep her skin soft and radiant, which I make sure to steal for the year every time I visit her. 100% natural and so simple to make. After a necessary maceration step, I carefully filter the Immortelle petals to obtain this precious essence while removing any twigs. This is an essential step to harness all the benefits of this flower. I take my scrub and start refilling it with the filtered Immortelle petals. The infused flour and salt will gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it clear and literally luminous. Each petal holds the full power of this flower. And there you have it. Your Corsican Immortelle Flower Scrub is ready to use. It smells incredibly good and leaves my skin radiant. Et voila!